I dig in my garden every weekend. I am digging a hole for the new tree right now. I have just dug up an old coin. I have been digging trenches on the site all week. I dug a deep hole for the fence post yesterday. I was digging in the sand when I found a shell. I had dug the whole bed before it started to rain. I had been digging for the lost keys for an hour before I found them. I will dig the potatoes up tomorrow morning. I will be digging in the allotment all afternoon. I will have dug every hole by the end of the day. By spring, I will have been digging this well for 6 months.